I have consistently come up against my use of technology where it's not African enough for people. It doesn't authenticate my Africanness. What would make it African? Mud, hay, you know, sticks. I use those, but I also use other things. My position is that all making is technological, and so I don't really make a distinction between, say, a hammer and a computer. For the exhibition knowledges, I thought we should interrogate the format of current academic administration. What I ended up doing is a larger critique of the form that academia has taken with corporate governance and some concerns that I have with equity. I'm taking a lot of anecdotes of experiences I've had or other people have had in academia, and I'm turning them into 30-second scripts. I'm getting real actors to perform them, but the end product is going to be 3D animations so that the archetypes, they can be on any campus. We are going to use the school desks that flip up, and then we're going to have holograms of the people standing there. I'm using holograms because I think, first of all, there are no real holograms. It's always like mirrors and smoke machines. So I think also that speaks to conceptually to this idea of the facade that academia puts out. But when in reality, if you open or flip the desk up, people exercise power in ways that are harmful to, the learning conditions.
As I had mentioned to you before, inclusivity always leads to the exclusion of those previously included. I know about this because of, I have my PhD.
And also, since we are on a campus here, I decided that would be a perfect audience for it, because it will be seen by hopefully administrators as well as faculty and students, and that there will be a larger conversation about the possibility of change. The number of adjuncts working across the country is outstanding to me, and then also the kind of remuneration that people get for this work doesn't resonate in the sense of how administrators want to claim that they're doing this for educational purposes. Because I think if people are paid poorly and they're treated poorly as well, the idea that they're going to perform their best work becomes problematic in any kind of labor. So there is sort of the fantasy of what is possible, and then there's the reality of what is possible. My position is to critique the fantasy, not to generate the fantasy.